This house right here hasn't been on the market in nearly 50 years. However, it's completely remodeled from top to bottom. We're talking new kitchen, new bathrooms, all new flooring, paint, and every surface in this house has been touched in the very recent past. Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services. This is 367 Viewpark Circle in the Parkview neighborhood of San Jose, 95136, and it's an absolutely stunning house. You have to come check it out. Comprising 1,876 square feet on almost a 6,000 square foot lot, this house boasts so many upgrades. We have LVP flooring downstairs all the way throughout. We have a brand new kitchen with shaker cabinets, Calcutta quartz countertops, all stainless steel appliances, a huge farm sink, not to mention tons of light coming in from all the double pane windows and the huge slider that leads you into the backyard, which is open for you to do whatever you want with. On the main floor here, we have this great kitchen connected to a family room that can also be used as a dining room, plus this formal living room which has a beautiful fireplace as its centerpiece. We also have a half bathroom and a pantry on the downstairs. And what I really love about this house is it has some features that are super modern, like the new flooring, the paint, the windows, the countertops, but also it has some features that kind of bring back an old farmhouse style as well. For example, the brick fireplace and the wrought iron on the staircase. Upstairs, there's 4 very large bedrooms, including a massive master suite that actually has its own retreat, which can be used as an office, a sitting area, or another playroom. In addition to that, both bathrooms, the master and the hall guest bathroom, have been totally upgraded. In addition to having a really big backyard as well as beautiful curb appeal in the front yard, there's also a private patio in the front that can be used for a seating area where you can enjoy your coffee in the morning or even have your friends over for a nice glass of wine in the evenings. And then behind us in the backyard, it's ready for you to do whatever you'd like. Now, when it comes to houses like this, especially ones that were built in the 60s and 70s, more than just what shines like countertops and flooring and fresh paint, all of which this house has, we also like to talk about the capital upgrades that are super important because they cost a lot of money, but they don't really have that sparkle. What I'm talking about in this house is it has newer plumbing, including waste plumbing as well as copper supply plumbing. You have a newer roof. All the Section 1 work on this house has been completely done already, fully painted interior and exterior, central air conditioning, central heating, and of course double pane windows throughout. And one of my favorite features about all of these houses in the Parkview neighborhood is they have a lot of natural light coming in from large picture windows. But we added to that by installing recessed lighting in the kitchen and the dining room. Now, this area is great as well, Parkview. Number one, we're on a street that's a circle, and at the end of the circle, there's actually a public park. Parkview is known for having multiple public parks throughout the neighborhood, but bordered on the other side of Branham from here is Martial Cottle Park, which is a 252-acre county-owned land that's never going to be anything but recreation. This location is great for a commute because we're close to downtown San Jose. It's about 4.5 miles from here. It's where Google plans to build its largest U.S. campus. We're also close to 85, 87, 101, Caltrain, and the light rail, all of which take you to all of the jobs on the peninsula that make Silicon Valley world famous. We're close to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Oakridge Mall, and all of the other shopping and dining that come along with living in South San Jose, plus Almaden Lake and all the hiking trails that are also super close by. Not to mention, Gilroy and Morgan Hill in the South County is becoming more and more a destination for wine tasting as well as other outdoor recreations. As always, I want to take the time to thank you for watching this video presentation of this gorgeous house at 367 Viewpark Circle. If you have any questions about this house or really any real estate related questions, I'd be happy to help you out. You can give me a call at the number that's on the screen, or you can send me a text message.